So guys, Samsung's executives have made a plan for the year ahead which will help them narrow the gap with Apple in the American market, and this strategy is their TIGER Masterplan. In the newest S22 teaser, it features a video of an actual tiger breaking out of darkness and its enclosure. At the very beginning of the video, we can see that the tiger actually presses the video recording button, and we see photons of light floating throughout the video and the tiger actually interacting with the light photons, indicating a big breakthrough in the low light photography and the videography, which, just as you know, currently Apple is the king of low light photos and videos. Samsung's master plan has its main focus set towards dethroning Apple. Now, what does this TIGER abbreviation stand for? I will tell you after I tell you to subscribe to the channel, which is completely free, and you will also get notifications when I publish new video. With that out of the way, TIGER, according to Korea Herald, stands for True Number 1 Brand in all product categories, improve the market share of premium phones priced $600 and up, gap narrowing with Apple, expand horizontally with new products including wireless earbuds, record year and exceeding expectations. So they want to be the number 1 brand in everything. They also want to increase the market share, especially in premium smartphones, which they define as $600 and up. Then they want to narrow the gap with Apple and other stuff. Now, it all sounds a bit silly and funny, I do know, but Samsung is facing increasing pressure in low and mid-range smartphone segments because of the Chinese brands like Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi and others. While USA, they took care of Huawei. Instead of Samsung taking up the market share like we thought, actually what happened was that Chinese companies quickly gobbled up all the mid to low tier smartphone market share, and Apple took care of the Huawei's premium customers. So Samsung has now serious steps to take if they want to stay as the top dog, and TIGER is one of their strategies at the moment. They are now preparing to take on Apple at their home turf in USA, where Apple is just immensely popular. Hey Marcus, can you please remind us how much popular Apple is in USA?
Yeah, try 70% of 18 to 24-year-olds in the US. 7 out of every 10 young adults and college students here are carrying an iPhone.
According to Samsung's mobile head, our Americs vision is to shift from a smartphone vendor to an intelligent device company. We will not be a tech brand, but a brand beloved by young generations providing innovative experience. Samsung really wants to be a cool, trendy, even fashionable brand rather than just a tech brand with great products, which does show in their brand collabs which they are doing right now. Samsung is really deep into BTS, which is more popular in teens than in adults. They also are continuously increasing their presence in fashion world with collabs like Thom Browne and other fashion focused people and brands, even going so far as teaming up with Fake Supreme in 2018. That was pretty funny. So overall, they want to be the trendy smartphone brand. They want teens, they want teenagers to carry their smartphones instead of just middle-aged and old guys using their premium smartphones. So they really want to be trendy. Now, is that the right step, the right direction for Samsung to take right now? Let me know in the comment section down below your thoughts about this. Hit the like button guys if you found this video useful or informative. You can also subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and just say hi to me on the socials from the link in the description. And guys, thanks a lot for watching.